In this video, I'll teach you how to stream and play game at the same time on your laptop without lagging. So I'm also doing the same thing. So I'm gonna teach you in this video. So first thing to do is to tell your Windows to prioritize your game more than background app. So how to do that is to turn on the game mode. How can you turn on the game mode? Just go to the Windows icon, click the settings, click the gaming, and go to this game mode right here. Click it and turn on this game mode. You see, turn on this game mode. Next up is to force your high performance graphics card to run your gaming and streaming software at the same time instead of using the weak built-in CPU graphics. So how can you do that? Is to go to your settings, go to system, go to display. You're already on display. Go to this graphics setting on the downside. You see, I've already selected this Blood Strike and TikTok Studio. You see it, I put it on high performance. So how can you put these two and set it on high performance? If you go here, it will not gonna be here. Just go to this browse and go to download. Look for that gaming. Look for that game that you are playing on your laptop. I'm usually playing Blood Strike. I click on the Blood Strike, click add. I've already added Blood Strike, so okay, let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. After adding the Blood Strike or any game that you are playing, just click on this option and select this high performance. You see, this is letting your window to decide and forcing your laptop is forcing your game to be running slowly. So you have to put it on high performance and save it. You have to do the same thing to your TikTok Studio or any streaming platform that you're using. Just let's browse this and choose our streaming software. See this TikTok Live Studio, then select it and add it. Click the option and set it to high performance. You see, it's using your GPU, not this one. Okay, next thing to do is to turn off the startup app. This startup app is the app that is opening by itself, like it not open the app and the app is running on the background. You can cancel the app and it's still running on the background. So how can you know that app is running on the background? Is to click this icon. See this arrow that is pointing up, click it. The background running app will come out here. So how to disable app that is opening by itself whenever you open your laptop is to click Ctrl Shift plus E on your keyboard. Go to this startup. You see this startup, go to this startup and disable any app that you see this link in. It not have any use to be opening by itself. This thing will not put, if you disable anything here, you will not put any harm on your laptop, will not cause any harm. You just have to prevent this thing. You just have to prevent the app from opening whenever you boot up your laptop. So see this link in, I have already disabled it. So how to disable it is to right click on your keyboard on that LinkedIn or any app. You see this enable, just let me disable it. You see disable, and also disable any unwanted app that is here. If you have this, let me say for example this Windows security notice, don't disable it. If you have this boot camp on your thing, don't disable it. So okay, let's move to the next step. So next step to do is to clean up your background app whenever you want to start streaming and play a game. You have to clean up to stop all the whole app that is running on your laptop. So how can you do that in one click? Just go to your settings, go to this privacy here, look for background app. See this background app, click it, and you see this thing, let apps running in the background. If you turn it off, every app that you are using that time will remove immediately. It will not delete on your laptop. The thing will just cancel it and turn off any app that is done. Just keep your laptop clean. You do not delete the app. If you click the app again, the app will open again. So I will not turn it up, because if I turn it up and using OBS Studio, the thing will just close and everything I will lose every data. So I don't have to. If you turn this thing off, you don't have to do. You do not do any harm on your laptop. You just have to close the app from learning. The app will not open at that moment. So click this switch to off. So if you see this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. Thank you.